This is Jane. Like many busy professionals, Jane juggles multiple corporate and personal calendars. Because she is constantly jumping between different calendars on different devices, Jane often ends up missing her appointments and getting double booked. We feel your pain, Jane, and we're here to help. CalendarBridge automatically syncs your schedule across all of your calendars. CalendarBridge integrates with all the most popular platforms for business and personal calendars. Setup takes just 5 minutes on CalendarBridge.com with no further setup required on any of your devices. CalendarBridge automatically copies events between calendars in real time according to the rules that you set. You can choose to sync events with details. You can choose to sync events without details to protect sensitive information that may be on your calendar. Here, Jane has set up her syncs so that her Company One calendar always gives her a complete view of her schedule. No more missed appointments and no more double bookings. CalendarBridge. Start your free trial now at CalendarBridge.com.